Good afternoon, teacher.
Yes. Today we are going to study new lessons. We are going to study the language of English. Yes, English. Yes, English. Yes.
Teacher, English.
English.
The what?
English. English.
Yes, English. Yes, that is enough. That's enough. English. So, now first, my name is teacher. You?
My name is Come.
Come for English.
Teacher. Nanike English.
My name is Rajigao. My
name
is Rajigao Petit. Oh, come on, you come on. My name, yes, good. Yes. Yes, my name is Yes. Wow. Amashi. Yes. That is good. My name is Pavre. Amashi. Yes. Now we are going to.
I hear me, but me.
We are going to show. Sicyongereza. None sano handitse mu.
Iyo niyo education wize.
English. My name is Bob. That is good. So Manuel.
English.
Yes, English.
Wowe nukungu kwize.
Yes, my name.
We know no one yet. So my name is Pavre.
Yes.
Yes.
Abarimu dusigaye dufite imitsi dusigaye dushonje.
Yes, my name is Bob.
Mistress nibyo batwigisha. Uriya ni urabona.
Jesus is Lord.
Izi sare z'abana baza ku ishuri. Nine from is ejo bundi nababwiye iki ntabwo nababwiye ngo mugure iniforume zisa n'iz'abana ntabwo ari wowe n'umwaka udatinya ukifata ukajya mu kabari n'umukozi nirirwa nabi so cyane keretse kumbera kubaga kenshi neza n'amabushi nta misoro ko nabonye ko seruje muri administration nini wese ko mbona wayisize ubashaka kunyarana nawe none ahangaha umva none umise guha weekend ni double weekend aho cyane ishuri soka ntabwo wumva soka ahubwo njya genda nyine genda ibyo watwigishije ngira uti wanjye kagira uti karanakeye wabibona ibyo nahoze mvuga wabibona ibyo nahoze mvuga ngo nawe urigiye